Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 250G8. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP 250G8 turns on but has a cracked screen and the touch functionality is unresponsive, this is likely due to physical damage, which can occur from drops or impacts. If left unrepaired, this can lead to further issues, including the risk of internal damage, which could make repairs more complicated and expensive. Now, let's move on to the tools you'll need for this replacement. You will require a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a suction cup, and a replacement screen specifically for the HP 250G8. Ensure you have a clean, flat workspace to avoid losing any screws or components during the process. To begin the repair, first, power off your HP 250G8 completely and disconnect it from any power source. Using the plastic opening tool, gently pry open the back cover, starting at one corner and working your way around. Be careful not to apply too much force to avoid damaging the clips. Once the back cover is removed, locate the screen connector. This is usually secured with screws or clips, which you will need to carefully remove. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the connector is free, carefully detach the old screen from the device. Ensure you are gentle with any attached cables to avoid tearing them. Now, take your new screen and align it with the connector. Secure it in place using the screws you removed earlier, making sure not to over-tighten them. Once the new screen is in place, reconnect any cables you may have detached during the process. Before you close the device, it's a good idea to power it on briefly to check that the new screen is functioning correctly. If everything looks good, carefully reattach the back cover, ensuring all clips are secured and the device is sealed properly. Finally, power on your HP 250G8 one last time to confirm that everything is working as it should. To prevent this issue from occurring again in the future, consider using a protective case and a screen protector. These can help absorb shocks and prevent cracks from accidental drops. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.